are gonna start, wait 5 seconds, then go forward out of the box, and then they're going to try to push the other robot out of the ring.
Was the overall project fun?
Oh, dude, it was super fun. Yeah, I had a great time. Learning coding, and as soon as our professor pulled out the Lego bricks, I was just like, oh, this is my dream, because I am a huge Lego enthusiast. So yeah, cool. I had a great time. Get sumo! Get sumo!
What's its name?
Sumo.
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 So close.
Oh, hit that.
You win?
Nice. I did not.
Okay, so I got.
That was a failure.
Okay.
But you had the heart.
I had, yes.
I like how you guys tilted your ultrasonic sensor down.
Yeah.
That was smart.
So it's supposed to see it when it's like right here.
Yeah.
And then go forward, and then it's missing.
How do you think it went?
I think it went really well. There's some really creative designs. I think a lot of students hopefully gain some confidence with programming. When I first introduce a project, it's always intimidating.
She encouraged us to just dive right in and just figure stuff out.
Yeah.
Instead of like just telling us piece by piece of how we should be doing things. So I find that aspect really engaging, and I think this project was really exciting.
All of our initial predictions flopped, so.
My strategy was the ramp to get under other opponents' robots, so I could push them off of the circle.
Look at that.
So yeah, I'm really happy with how it went.
Yeah.